Welcome. In front of me is SONY Xperia 10, and I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks for the phone. So we'll start off by the Nightlight option, which to enable it, you would go into settings, there, then into display, and advanced, and Nightlight. And basically what it will do is you can either put it to schedule it from sunset to sunrise, or set a custom timer for it, or just turn it on basically for all the time. And what we'll do is, as you can see, reduce the blue light on the device so it's less strenuous on the eye at night. And it's a fairly nice feature. Let's say if you're trying to go to sleep and it's already like dark in a room, and you can just turn it on, it will help you fall asleep in a way. So yeah, that's one. Now moving on, it would be the colors of the display. And what I mean by that is to make it more vivid. And so go into settings, and then into display, and advanced again. And it's right here, color gamut and contrast. And from here you have the super vivid mode, and not sure if it's going to be visible on the video, but on the image you can actually see the difference. When you switch up, basically makes everything more vibrant and the colors a little bit deeper. So that is fairly nice option. Okay, so moving on, it would be the thing that it took me a while to actually notice is this thing. You can either double tap it, or it actually can swipe it down, so it acts as a back button that is located also on the bottom. And just to show you what I mean is, let's open settings, something, and from here you can swipe down, go back, you can also swipe up, and it will basically act as a back button. And it's really nice when you're holding the phone in one hand, it always is like near your thumb, so you don't have to reach all the way to the corner bottom. Okay, moving on, it would be multitasking. And there's two ways to actually activate it. One is you can actually hold, for instance, here, and you get this little icon, and you can just tap on it. And I guess I hit the app that has no multitasking. Oh no, okay, there it is. And then you get to choose another app that you want to multitask with. And as you can see, now you can choose the size of it, or just swipe all the way up to close it. Okay, so, and there is other way to do it, of basically go into recent apps, and you have, whenever you have this icon right there, you can just click on it, and then you have split screen. You can just tap on it, and then choose another app from the recent apps to multitask with. And same, if you like to close it, just slide all the way up or down. Yeah, moving on. Last thing that I'm going to show you would be the one-handed mode, and I'm not sure if it's from the beginning enabled, but you can activate it by double pressing home button. And if you want to minimize it, or well, maximize it back, you can just tap on any black area of the phone. And if it doesn't work right away, you can go into settings and display, advanced, and it's gonna be with interaction one-handed mode. And here you can just flip it on or off to enable it. And whenever you actually are forced to use one hand, you don't have to like readjust your hand to reach something on the top or on the bottom. You can just double tap the home button and have everything under the reach, basically. So that was the last thing. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.